not good, bruh. It's not good. And I forgot to put the color corrector under my eyes. Like, why though? Why? Sorry for the bad lighting, bruh. I'm using my phone and the front cam. You know, cam is not as good as the main cam, which is on the back of the phone. You know the deal, right? Right. I'm gonna use this brush. I'm gonna put it first with my own creation setting spray, bruh, and just dab it all over your face. It's gonna skip this step, okay? I can't use a brush. It's like my face is so streaky right now. I don't know if me that can use a brush or the brush is too cheap. So I'm gonna use my dirty little sponge right here. Let it first. Make it damp. Just dab it to your face. To my face! I'm sorry. My DIY concealer that I put in this tube, LA Pro concealer with my foundation because I put too much. Look, going too extra. I can go too extra. I'm gonna set my under eye with this old lady powder, but this is the brand new one, like the new packaging, but it's still just I'm gonna smooth it first. My under eye is creasing AF. Places that produce oil the most. Oh my god! Smells killing me. Or a really good translucent powder though, because I'm a broke as college student. No, actually I graduated, but you know, I still seeking job. So now, broke. Here, where my pores are. Moving to liquid highlighter. This is City Color Collection Glowing Complexion. I love this palette so much. Like, gonna place it on my cheekbones, a little bit on the brow bone, above my eyebrows. Yo, look at that glow. My chin, my nose, contour. This is it's actually not the real palette. It's the mix of LA Colors I Heart Makeup Contour Kit and this City Color contour palette on the go. I post it from the real palette and then pick the just the color that I use. Voila. This two color. Maybe four. 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit. A bit. Ah, damn. I put too much. Bruh. Jawline chin. I'm not so sorry. Real technique brush. So really good though. Like I don't know the quality of the real ones, the original ones, but it's not that bad. It's soft and it blends really well. It's blend. I think this Nabi color fits blush palette. This is in the I don't know C or A collection. Forgot, and I'm gonna use this again. The fake Real Technique brush. I'm gonna use this. Oh, why? I always put too much. Because I always put too much makeup on my vows. Indonesia that doesn't like to wear blush underneath the eyes. I don't know. Yes. For the next step, I'm gonna set the whole face with this Rimmel Stay Matte translucent powder in 001 transparent. Just and that to blend everything out. I forgot to do my nose contour. I'm gonna to it later. Okay. Where is the contour? I'm gonna use this mixture of two colors and make my nose look more pointy. So the last step is, it's not the last, wait, no, I'm not gonna use the highlighter. Set my eyebrow first. My eyebrows with this Etude House color my brow. My sister about me when she was in Korea. Yes. For lipstick, I'm gonna use my everyday lipstick. This is Wardah exclusive matte lip cream in the color Pinky Promise number 15. Do I look like Dewi Sandra? It's not done yet, so I'm gonna set my whole face with my DIY setting spray before I put my highlighter. I really like this highlighter though. I don't know because I never tried another highlighter. I always use this and the shimmery shade from City Color Barely Exposed eyeshadow palette. This color right here. Yes, girl! It's all done, baby. So I'm gonna do my hijab and then we're done. Okay, we're done. this is the final look, everybody. It's really easy and simple, but you look like half extra. Not extra, but half extra. You know? So this is the look if you want to go out to dinner or to wedding or any other events, but you don't have false lashes and you don't want to go very extra. I think this is the right look for you.